In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an unwanted room reservation from a Google Calendar meeting. To get started, open Google Calendar in Chrome. Using Chrome helps ensure the interface looks and behaves as expected, which is especially useful if you're following along step by step. Once Google Calendar is open, make sure you're on the correct date and viewing the event you want to update. Next, find the specific meeting event that contains the room reservation you no longer want attached. This is important because room reservations are connected to individual calendar events, so you'll want to be certain you're selecting the right meeting before making any changes. Depending on your calendar view, the event may appear as a time block in your day or week view or as an entry in your schedule. Click directly on that meeting event slot to open its preview card. When the event details pop up, take a quick moment to confirm that this is the correct meeting. This helps avoid accidentally editing the wrong calendar item, especially if you have multiple events with similar names or overlapping times. Once you've confirmed the correct event, click the pencil icon labeled Edit Event. This will open the full event details layout where you can make changes to the meeting information in a more complete editing view. The edit screen is useful because it gives you access to all the settings tied to that calendar event, including any attached room or resource reservations. As the details panel opens, give it a second to fully load so all event information appears properly. If your calendar is connected to shared workplace resources, this is where the reserved room information is usually displayed alongside the guest list, time, and location details. At this point, you're in the right place to modify the event and remove the unwanted room reservation asset. If you're following this as part of a larger workflow, just make sure any edits you make are intentional, since changing a shared event can affect other attendees as well. That's it for this part of the process. You've opened Google Calendar in Chrome, selected the correct meeting event, and entered the full edit view by clicking the pencil icon. From here, you're ready to continue updating the event details as needed.